Crystal Cap Cleaner is a simple, compact design made from a stainless steel vessel, stainless steel impeller, and other paint booth-friendly materials. Easy installation requires only an air supply and fluid supply of 100 psi or 5 bar pressure, and the control would be direct from the robot PLC unit, sending 3 signals to control valves. The unit has a floating seal on top that will accommodate any inaccuracies from the robot. The unit is mounted on a sprung base that again will protect from any damage from a crashing robot. The drainage system can separate air from fluid, and the fluid is recaptured by hard pipe into the plant recovery system. In plants without a solvent recovery system, the cleaner can be mounted on a pail stand.